Hey, and guess what? SnackCrate. What? Another SnackCrate? I thought I gave up on them. Yeah, but they had something special and I said, oh, let me try it. And guess what it is? SnackCrate Kitkats. And you know me and my Kitkats. I love Kitkats. But this is a little different. So this says Kitkat salt and sweet. And it's in some Japanese and it looks like some almonds. And I think it's all melted together because I can feel that everything's stuck. And I can't find my scissors, so we'll use a knife. Uh-oh. It is all melted together. Oh, or melted. Look at that. That's a bunch of Kit Kats. Wow. It's in Japanese, but yeah, this is a little unusual. There's peanut, there's of course milk chocolate. There's some peanuts. There's some other type of cookie in here, but because I can feel it, I can hear it. Can you hear the crunch? And there's an almond, but I'm not really tasting. I do taste the salt. Not too bad, but again, it's all melted together. Oh. Kit Kats, big it says. It's in Japanese, see? So let's see. Oh, the first one that I just ate says the surprisingly sweet and satisfact. That doesn't make any sense. I'm not gonna read it. Kit Kat, soy cheese, salted almonds. I have no clue. Oh, the big chocolatey flavor that keeps you going until the whole bag is gone. Okay, if they say so. Oh, little tiny chocolate balls. That's unusual. It's almost like a multi bar, but a little softer. Tastes pretty good. I'm not going to eat this one yet, but look how big this this bar is. Kitkat bar is. Oh, there's a lot. I may have to do this in a couple of days. Oh, hazelnut. 2 fingers, so that means there's 2 bars here. There's 2. Nutella who? This flaky wafer sandwich with rich hazelnut cream and coated in a generous portion of smooth milk chocolate. And this is from the UK. Now I know, right? That the US doesn't have a really big selection of like everywhere else. So we're gonna just pop it off and see. Oh, no snap, no crack. So this one tastes very similar to the normal Kit Kat, just a little bit more chocolatey, whatever that means, and there's a slight hint of hazelnut. Not bad at all, and it's pretty good. Oh man, Honeycomb. Your lunch break just got much better with this smooth honeycomb flavored chocolate all wrapped around a crisp wafer center. Another UK product. If it snaps. Not a big snap. But honeycomb. I can smell the honeycomb more than I can taste it. The smell to me is not very pleasant. Thank God it doesn't taste that bad. Actually, the second bite, the aftertaste, I don't really like this one. But of course, I don't waste food. Dark mint. Move over, Andy's Mints. This thick and minty dark chocolate coated wafer bar might be your new favorite after dinner snack. Okay, oh, and it's already broken. No need for a snap. Smells like those little after dinner mints. Okay, so I have to stop. I'm eating way too much. This is gonna make me sick. But maybe tomorrow, maybe a couple other days from now. But see you soon. Kitkat. I'm back with Kitkats. Kitkat White. Need to change up from the classic milk chocolate flavor? Problem solved with this decadent white chocolate version of the candy you love. Oh, this is from Canada. Kitkat from Canada. White chocolate. But, who knows? Oh, there's a little tiny holes, like it's crispy. Not too bad at all. Oh, and it's in English. Hooray! I used to like white chocolate a lot, and I haven't had much of it lately, but it tastes okay, but it's a little aftertaste I'm not familiar with. I'm not sure, since I hadn't had white chocolate in a long time, if that's how it's supposed to taste. But anyway, white chocolate Kitkat. Kitkat Zebra. Oh, from the UK. This one-of-a-kind Kitkat features a delightful mixture of marble milk and white chocolate, making it the perfect snack for any occasion. Look at look. I never seen that. Have you? Oh, and it's no snap, but it's together. If it's milk and dark. Oh, milk and dark. No, I'm not sure, because, you know, I don't know anything, but their chocolate smells a little different. So let's say chocolate is not all the same all over the world. Is that better? Okay. So this is not, I wouldn't buy this again. I really don't care for this. This flavor is just, doesn't do it for me. Big one. And it says crunchy. That isn't crunchy, it says chunky. Chunky peanut butter. Oh, this is it, look. Chunky popcorn. Chunky peanut butter. Look, I'll try the popcorn first, because I've had popcorn Kit Kats. I think in Japan. Ah, there we go. It's a big one. Smells like chocolate. Not really getting a lot. Well, spoke too soon. You know the little hard part, the kernel, where it's not working. That's what I feel like I'm tasting. Not much. This is unusual. Kit Kat features a single layer of finger layered with a little extra. So that was the popcorn. This is okay. I mean, I would eat this. I wouldn't seek it out, but if it was there and I was hungry, yes. Okay, this is going to be the last one because I'm about to get sick. This is the peanut butter one. Smells like chocolate. So there's the top layer is peanut butter. It doesn't taste too bad. Now, I don't know which is which. Meaning, because the little flag, half of it's Canadian, half of it's Britain. So, we're going to stop. I'll see you soon. Some of these from the past I've already done. Like this. This is like a raspberry. I've done that. Strawberry. I've done that. And the green teas. There's so many different green teas. So I'm just going to assume that these are the same ones I've done in the past. So to save myself some time and diabetes. I have no idea. And they both say something. And of course, I want to say mini dark, made for a mature palate. This rich and genuine dark chocolate Kitkat is perfect for those who enjoy mildly sweet treats. Product code Japan. Okay, let's see. Smells like chocolate. It's pretty good. I do like it. They don't sell this in the States for some odd reason. But who knows? This one. Mini wheat biscuit. A healthy take on a classically sweet treat. This Kitkat features whole grain biscuit and a mixture of white chocolate. Now that sounds interesting. I do have two of these, and the pictures are different. This has someone doing some yoga, it looks like, and this guy is just hanging out listening to headphones. Alright, let's see. What, it doesn't smell too bad. Well, it is good. I really can't tell if that there's a whole wheat biscuit or whatever. I can't tell. I can't tell. What's this one? This one is a Kitkat. So I'm not even going to try this one because, you know, diabetes and all. I don't have diabetes, but if I keep eating crap like this, I will. Alright, so, orange. A product of the UK. So this smooth orange flavored milk chocolate cases a crispy wafer, brings that some of the word should say satisfying, but it says satisfactorily, which zest citrus snap to every bite. Oh, it smells like orange. See? Oh, you can't see it, can you? What? You know, I might have done orange in the past. I don't remember. But these are Kitkats now, and SnackCrate. Whew. Okay. Kitkat Chunky Arrow Mint. Okay. Break with bubbles. Bite off a piece of this extra chunky wafer bar to uncover a thick, smooth layer of minty chocolate. Some of these would do well in the US, I assume. Very strong smell of mint. Green. But the flavor in mint is very mild. So this one is a big one. It's basically like the normal Kitkats that we have in the US. This is just thicker. So I'm not going to do these because I'm trying not to do a lot of stuff that I already have, because like this stuff here I've already done. But anyway, that was it for SnackCrate and the Kitkat special box. Well, I'll see you next time. Enjoy.